wanted to take a moment and explain to you what Houses of Hope is and why you would love to be a part of it. One of the things that we are looking forward to with Houses of Hope is the chance to be a church family, the chance to meet together in homes, to digest the message, and to break bread together, to eat, to fellowship, and to have a great time talking about what God's doing in our lives, growing together, and doing life together.
Yes. In doing life together, there's many times that you don't have anybody to reach out to. You feel all alone. Who am I going to call? Who's going to come help me with the things and the needs in our life? And the way to do that is to build relationship, build trust, and ask. Ask for that help. Ask for that prayer. Houses of Hope is a great opportunity for you to get in network with the people here at Grace Hope Church.
That's right. The Word tells us that iron sharpens iron, and so one man sharpens the countenance of his friend. And so as we go to Houses of Hope, I want to encourage you to be involved, because in Acts 2:42 we see that the believers were meeting together daily, breaking bread, and sharing fellowship with each other, and encouraging each other in the things that they had been learning with the apostles' teaching. So that's what we're going to be doing with Houses of Hope. We'll be going over discussion questions, icebreakers from the Sunday sermon. So if you missed Sunday, you'll still be able to get caught up in what's been happening and also have a chance to digest the message, talk about it in fellowship with some of our Grace Hope Church people.
Yes, so we would love to encourage you to please sign up. The first step is to take that action step in signing up and finding and getting familiar with the people around you. So join us at the Welcome Center, and we look forward to having you in our Houses of Hope.
Thanks so much. We'll see you there.